Daddy, come fix this for me, please. We can't get it.
What? Well, you can fix. No, I can fix it.
Just want to slowly. You guys were ready for church! Yay! Mickey, are you ready to get your hair comb? Yeah, we're going to church today. I have some bubbles here for Michaela's hair. We got our, we're gonna wear black today. So this is Jojo's outfit and this is Mickey's outfit. You like your dress? Yeah. Yeah? It's nice. Nice, yeah. But we have to comb your hair. I usually just put like, this leave-in conditioner in her hair. Okay, so I just put Michaela's hair in 2 today because we don't have a lot of time to. So I just gave her like a zigzag part. I have to put this one around a bit more. Very good combing her hair. She doesn't really cry unless you pull. But I normally like put like all the things in it to soften it, like the leave-in conditioner and stuff like that. You guys are ready. Oh, nice boots, Mickey. Ooh, look at Michaela hair. Nice.
I'm trying to Squishy. Mommy, the birds want me.
Oh, yeah?
Want me to come back.
Yeah.
Ask me, come back, Jojo.
Oh, yeah? Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
want me.
Just trying to get myself ready for church.
Mommy,
Yeah.
the birds want to. Mommy, yes, I'm gonna really pull my I'm gonna take out his toy.
Daddy, come fix this for me, please. We can't get it.
What? Well, you can fix. No, I can fix it.
Just want to slowly. You guys were ready for church! Yay! Joe! We're almost at church. Welcome to the Reach Center.
used to say, you don't need Bible school. You don't need that. What do you need? It's obedience. Hey, obedience. It's like, we can take the example of Jonah. The Lord sent him to Nineveh. He went on the opposite side. What are you doing, boy? Fisher woman. That's gonna win souls for the kingdom. Thank you for this Bible that you want to be something you have been. Thank you for this people that surrender to your way and to your way.
Thanks for watching. God bless you.